Welcome students to Kanika classes. In this video, we will be talking all about the cell. Biology is the science which deals with the study of life, living things. So, the basic unit of life, basic unit of living thing is a cell. And a cell is one of the most important part of each and every living thing present over the earth. So my dear students, today we will be going on with the topic cell. Let us start. Every life starts with a single cell, but we were not able to know that until Antoni von Leeuwenhoek was able to discover a microscope. My dear students, so this was one of the major discovery in the history, that was the microscope, with the help of which today we know we are made up of cell. Let us see what all cell is made up of. You can compare cell with your school or your home, but how? Let me tell you. As in your school, you are having classrooms, you are having office, management, canteen is there. Similarly, inside the cell, there are many parts, and those parts are having some particular function. For example, that we go to canteen in our school when we want to eat something. So inside the cell, there is a part that we call as the kitchen of the cell. School management or principal is the main head of the institution. Similarly, there is one head of the cell that we call as the nucleus. So like that, we will be studying today each and every topic about the cell. So let us begin with knowing out the basic structure of a cell. My dear students, remember, cell is having lots many things inside it. But firstly, we will be seeing that what is the most important part there. Let us. Cells are of variety of shapes. But students, the basic structure of cell is this one, in which outer membrane is the cell membrane, inside it nucleus is there, and the rest of the part of the cell is the cytoplasm. So this is a cell. But you will say that ma'am, you told only 3 structures. This cell is having lots many things inside it. So students, let us see what are these tiny things inside the cell. These tiny structures are present inside the cytoplasm of the cell. So let us see what all things are there inside the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm consists of 2 different types of things. That can be cell inclusions or cell organelles. Cell inclusions are dead substances that are present inside the cell. They are non-living things. Students, these non-living things can be of different types. It can be food particles, fat can be there, or vacuoles are also non-living part inside the cell. And cell organelles, these are different structure. You can compare the cell organelles present inside the cell with the organs of our body, like heart, kidney, liver. Like these organs are present, they are having specific function. Similarly, cell organelles inside the cell have their specific function to do. Now let us study the different cell organelles. First is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell because inside mitochondria there is the production of energy in the form of ATP. Plastid is known as the kitchen of the cell because inside the plastid, that is the chloroplast, there is the production of food. Ribosomes are known as the protein factory of the cell because inside ribosomes there is the production of all the proteins of the cell. Lysosome, they are known as the suicide bags of the cell because they help in the defense of the cell. They kill microbes that try to enter the cell. Vacuoles are storage or containers inside the cell. Whatever food particle is there, that is stored inside the vacuoles. Even there can be water vacuoles. Endoplasmic reticulum acts as a supporting framework for the cell. Also, it helps in the passage of substances inside the cell. Golgi body is one of the most important organelle of the cell that helps in the production of vacuoles and other particles. Centrosome is an organelle that helps in the cell division process. When from one cell, new cells are formed, at that time centrosome is useful. So dear students, my next video will be all the diagrams of the chapter. That will help you because from this chapter there are many diagrams that are coming in the exam, especially animal cell and plant cell. So do not forget to watch out my next video. Thank you.